Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to unlock YouTube advanced features. So guys, let's get right into it. We are going to use the Google Chrome app. I believe we all have this on our phone. And then we are going to search for youtube.com desktop. So we are going to long press on this first one here. When I say long press, I mean you should use your thumb to touch the screen for a few seconds and it will open. So you click on open in new tab, the second one. And you swipe down and as you can see, sign in Google account. We are going to click on sign in Google account. So guys, this is our online YouTube Studio app. This Studio app is very detailed. It contains a lot of information that the normal Studio app does not have. So guys, and for you to be able to see clearly and to be able to read through, you can make it broad and so you can see it clearly. So guys, when you get here, the next thing we are going to do is you have to swipe down, and you will see the settings icon here. So you click on it. So guys, immediately you click on the settings icon, it will take you to this place and you click on channel. So guys, immediately you click on channels, it will take you to basic information, advanced settings and feature eligibility. So let's start from the very first one, which is country of residence. So you click on it, click on the box and you see different countries here. So you search for your country. So I am a Niger girl, I'm from Nigeria, so I'll just click on Nigeria. And after that, you click on the keyword. So add keyword. What is your channel all about? What is your niche? What do you do on your channel? If it's lifestyle, you write lifestyle. If it's motherhood, whatever it is, you write it. So for me, I'm going to be writing YouTube tips, self-development, and tutorials on editing. Let me just add that. Okay, tutorials on video editing. So guys, can you see this? So immediately you are done with this part, you move to advanced settings. So click on advanced settings. Now your channel is made for kids, you click yes, it is made for kids. If it's not made for kids, you click no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for children. As time goes on, I'm going to explain maybe in another video. I don't want this video to be too long, why you should set your channel as not made for kids. It should be for adults. I'm going to click on no, set this channel as not made for kids. So guys, anytime I'm uploading a video on YouTube, it will automatically just save as this video is not made for kids. Do you understand? This channel is not made for kids. So that is what I just did now. Do you understand? So I'm going to save this now. So you can do yours as well. So let's move to the last one, which is the reason why we are here. Feature eligibility. Now we are going to start with the very first one here. I hope you can see this. Now the number one here is standard features. We give you the ability to upload videos. You'll be able to create playlists. You'll be able to add collaborators to your playlist. You'll be able to add new videos to existing playlists. So the requirement for you to have all these standard features is that your channel should be free of active community guideline strike. Do you understand? So when you newly create a YouTube channel, you will be able to access all this. If you notice, when you create a YouTube channel, you'll be able to upload video because you are just new to YouTube. This one is like automatic. They will just enable it for you. So guys, let's move straight to the second one, which is intermediate feature. This one you need to enable it yourself. And how do you enable this? Now let's check it out. So the intermediate features consist of you having the ability to post videos longer than 15 minutes. Do you understand? Then the second one is custom thumbnail. You'll be able to add thumbnail to your videos. And the last one is live streaming. So we all know what is live streaming. You'll be able to go live on YouTube. Now, how do you enable this intermediate feature? Number one, standard features enabled. First one here that we just checked should be enabled, and that one is automatic. So the second thing that you need to do for you to be able to access these intermediate features is you need to verify your phone number. I have already verified my phone number. If I have not done that, they would have written it here, verify phone number. So I'll just click on it and go straight. So guys, check your phone. If you have not verified your phone number, just click on it and add the phone number there. They will send you a code. You input the code, and before you know it, they will just send you a message that your phone number has been verified. So this one is also a very easy step. So the last one is advanced features. So let's check what's here. So this one will help you to be able to appeal content ID claims, create more live stream daily. You'll be able to create, like, you can do live stream morning, afternoon, and evening. Then upload more videos daily. You can upload videos morning and evening. One day you can upload 2 videos. Then create more shots. You can create 10 shots one day. Embed live stream. I think this one is about sharing your link to other websites, something like that during live stream. External link in video description. You'll be able to apply for monetization. So you have to unlock this advanced feature. This one is the orga patapata of them all. So what are the requirements for this to be unlocked? Number one, intermediate feature enabled. We have already enabled it by verifying our phone number. So, and one of these. So let me see the one I will be using right away. The first one is use video verification. Approval time usually up to 1 day. Then use your valid ID, which is the second one. Approval time usually up to 1 day. They sent you with that first one. And how do you do this? You use your phone to take a photo of your government issued ID, like a passport or driving license. The last one, which is build a channel history, like I just explained. If you are consistent with posting on YouTube, automatically they will build a channel history for you, and you will be able to access your advanced features. So guys, that is it for this video. But for me, I'll be using my passport for this. So I'll click on use your valid ID. I'll click on next and get an email to start verification on your phone. Okay, I'll just click on get an email. So they will send me a code, and so they've already sent a code. So I'll just check for the code now. So guys, this is the message they just sent to me. So I'm going to start verification now. I'll click on start verification. I'll click on next, and you see what they sent to me. So just follow the process. All these things, they are very easy. You can go as well as read all these stuffs here. Then click on next. Use your original ID, not a digital copy or photocopy. Your ID must clearly show your date of birth, be a driving license, passport, or other valid ID, and be current. It's not something that have expired though. So you click on next. So when you click on this camera, it will capture the ID card, and then you are good to go. Let's do that now. So guys, immediately you capture your ID card, then this is the message you will receive. So guys, can you see this pending? So immediately they they are done with it, it will turn to enabled. So guys, that is all for this video. It depends on the one you want to go for. When it comes to the advanced feature, you can use your video verification. Just do a 30 seconds video of your face and send to them. Follow the steps, very easy. If you want to build channel history, click on build channel history. In less than 2 months, they just wrote 2 months there, it won't be up to 2 months. They will unlock your advanced feature and you'll be able to use your YouTube channel more often. You'll be able to access those advanced features. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please, if you did, kindly subscribe to my channel and share this to your family and friends. Give my video a thumbs up and drop a comment for me. So guys, I will see you next time, same station. Bye.